It's an ambitious project by the federal government, the Biosurveillance Ecosystem, or BSVE. It operates much like social media, thriving on information sharing.
They're trying to give all the infectious disease analysts a series of tools to be able to detect, analyze, and direct responses to biological threats.
Dr. Brian Lewis and Mandy Wilson, researchers at the Biocomplexity Institute of Virginia Tech, are part of a team comprised of faculty and students that developed 2 applications the federal government selected to be a part of the BSVE.
Epivir was developed during the Ebola crisis. We had all kinds of epidemiologists out there creating forecasts.
It's like a data repository, you can say, for the epidemiologists. So efficient tracking is something that is critical. You need to collaborate and share data.
The other tool is MyForesight.
MyForesight is an application that provides crowdsourcing that enables the epidemiologists to rank outbreaks of viral or other outbreaks.
Both students play an integral role developing these apps now used by the federal government, while adding depth to their own education as they carve a path toward the future.
My work in this project helped me prepare for my job and my career as a research scientist, because I will be developing software for the community.
It's like a completely new experience because I finished my undergrad in India and then I was working full-time for 2 years, and then I decided to pursue my master's, and Virginia Tech is really amazing because it adds on to a lot of my knowledge.
The cool things working in this project is being able to interact with many different faculty, from epidemiology, computer scientists, in biology.
While researchers say in jest they're building a Facebook for epidemiology nerds, they are nothing but serious when it comes to the effectiveness of these apps.
When you start tracking things early on in the beginning of the epidemic, say for example the Zika problem down in the South. With the Zika problem, if we can start tracking, seeing what surveillance numbers are coming out of different areas, we can pinpoint which areas might require faster intervention, and we can also, alert other epidemiologists that this is out there.
So the ecosystem is really interesting in that they're trying to compile a variety of tools in a single platform where they can share information between themselves and communicate with each other. So you might have something that's monitoring Twitter at the same time that there's people taking on-the-ground field samples and integrating that into a platform where they can then share across multiple analysts at different agencies and collaborate in a way to harmonize the federal government's response to that threat.
Researchers at the Biocomplexity Institute of Virginia Tech spent the past decade perfecting predictive modeling systems and continued to enhance these apps to help policymakers collect the needed information to stay ahead of major outbreaks, quickly estimate how crises will unfold, and save lives.